Isa sa supporting main event, yung kay Eman Bacosa. Kamusta ba si Eman? Mas siguro madalas nyo nakikita to. And gaano din kaganda na ito'y hahatak din, di ba, ng mga manonood in this Blow by Blow on March 20. Maraming followers si Eman Bacosa. In fact, itong laban na, nag-iinsayo kasi siya sa Davao. Sa Davao, Mig, and sometimes sa gym din ni Senator Manny sa Jensen. Yung kalaban niya ngayon is a foreigner, although based in Davao. Congo? Congo. So, exciting itong laban na to. Marami na kasi siya rin nakuha mga fans and followers. So, at saka maganda yung tayo ng bata, matangkad, maganda yung range, maganda rin naman sumuntok. So, maraming nag-aabang. So, maraming tumatawag, kung lalaban nga, sabi namin, yes, he will be fighting. And of course, isa siya sa hatak ng taong nanonood. Aside from the fact that we have 3 championship fights that we are doing. So, maaga namin gagawin. It's 1 o'clock. We hope to start early at 1 o'clock and finish by 6 o'clock para maaga din magkaroon ng banquet and yung awarding ceremonies.
Good morning po, Ivan Swing. Ma'am Lisa, you said earlier po na you want to invite yung mga previous na nakalaban na yung Pacquiao. Meron po pong nilingin na pangalan sa senator po, maybe some former Mexicans na nakalaban niya in the past.
Wala naman siyang sinabi. Sabi naman niya, anyone who is available, mag-iimbita kami. So it will also come from him kung sino yung gusto niyang umpisa na pumunta. But nothing in particular, wala siyang binanggit. Kahit daw sino, pwede naman niyang imbitahan. Siguro, it will be best to get yung mga Mexican fighters kasi maganda maging bisita din.
Next.
One man win.
Good morning po, Mark Montero. Ma'am, nabanggit niyo po kanina, 75 yung magiging award is makakasip ng mga citation. Bukod po sa award na ibibigay kay Yulo, may mga karagdagan awards po ba ngayon compared na last edition? Thank you.
Thank you. No, we always award the boxers of the year, yung mga nag-world champion in the year 2024. And tinitignan namin lahat ng nag-champion sa Philippines. Di ba? May Philippine champion. Bukod doon yung regional, international, yung mga WBC Asia, IBF, WBO, marami tayong WBO Asia Pacific, Oriental Champion. Lahat yun, ginagather namin yun. So sila lang, they're about, the international and regional champions are about 40 plus, mga 43, 45. Philippine champions, mga 7. And then aside from that, we are giving awards to the most promising boxers. 2 ngayon, the best fight of the year, best manager, best trainer, best judge, best referee, at saka mga citations. And yung, of course, as I've mentioned, meron kaming posthumous award.
Okay, thank you. Sige, salamat po sa pagkakataon na ito na kayo naging panauhin natin sa PSA forum. Arvin, yung mensahe mo, last word, probably sa mga supporters at dun sa kalaban mo na si Rene Mark Cuarto.
Unang-una po gusto kong magpasalamat sa binigay na malaking opportunity sa akin ng boss ko, si Boss Johnny, Ma'am Lisa, at si Boss Mig po. Napakalaking opportunity po ito para sa akin. At saka kay Senator Manny Pacquiao po sa nagbigay rin po ng opportunity sa akin. Ganoon din sa Blow by Blow. At dito rin po sa PSA po, sa pag-imbita rin po sa akin dito. Maraming salamat po.
So with the opportunity, anong pangako mo sa amin?
Pagbubutihan ko po. Ipapanalo ko po yung laban para...
Yun!
Kala ko anong round eh.
Di na magibigyan ng round pero baka mga round 8.
Yan! Ay, pwede.
Okay.
Natandaan natin.
Si manager at saka si WBC Ratings Committee member. Yes, Migs.
Thank you po sa pag-invite sa amin. Sana supportahan niyo po yung Pacquiao Authority Awards. Thank you rin po sa Blue by Blue kay Senator Manny.
Yes, salamat po. Sir Johnny, mensahe po natin.
Maraming salamat po sa naging
sa amin. At timbangan mo sa
Sa
Cove.
Okay.
Punta mo kayo para makita yung timbangan sa senior.
Okay, March 19.
Oo, sa Okada din.
Yes. Okay, and ma'am, again, invite natin para sa mga kaibigan para nga po dito sa awards night.
Okay, on behalf of Senator Manny Pacquiao and the Eduardo family, we'd like to invite you all. I mean, you have been a great part of the success of the Filipino boxers. And gusto namin imbitahan ng Philippine Sports Writers Association to be present there. Of course, not only to cover, but for you to witness yung mga champion boxers natin who really made it good and who exerted a lot of effort because kaya sila naging champion, you were part of their success, yung mga naitulong nyo po sa mga boksingero natin, and not only to the Filipino boxers but also to those who have been responsible in the development of boxing in the Philippines, like us, promoters, the managers, the trainers, and lahat po. So we'd like to say thank you so much for, for inviting us always if we have big events, small events. Lagi niyo po kami naiimbitahan and hindi po namin nakakalimutan ng Philippine Sports Writers Association. Kapareho mo ni Flash Eloide, our father, who had been in this business, in this sport for so long a time. The PSA has been very, is a respected organization with regards to, sports in the country. And we will also be honoring one of your, of your member, I understand, it's Chino Trinidad, who will be, sa posthumous, so he will be receiving. And there are boxing judge din, si Basig, si Ferdinand Estrella, and si Tim Cabanela, who was a trainer, Fernando, boxer trainer and a world title contender. So once again, thank you so much, and we'd like to see you guys. If you're going there, please do let us know. I'm still here, so you could just give us your name so that ilalagay namin kayo sa master list. Again, this is on March 20. This is a Thursday. We start at 1 o'clock for boxing till 6 o'clock, after which the banquet and the awarding ceremonies follow. If you're asking, well, bakit March pa rin? Because we've been doing it, di ba? Daddy's birthday is March 25. So sabi ni Manny naman, okay, let's continue doing it. I know the PSA has also awards body every February. January kayo. So we're doing it naman every March. So maraming salamat po ulit sa suporta nyo. And wag po kayong magsasawang imbitahan kami. Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa Eduardo family, the prime movers of this grand event on March 20. Arvin, good luck sa iyo ang laban. Salamat po from Philippine Sports Writers Association. Magbabalik po kami in a while for the All Women Sports Awards. Maraming salamat po.
Yes po.